All right, Lynn, let's go to the next slide. So here, I have here again a picture. And you tell me if it's yes, if it's in the picture, or no, if it's not. Look at here, the first sentence, Lynn. What is the first sentence? Please read. The tiger.
The tiger is next to the giraffe.
Okay.
Yes.
The tiger is next to the giraffe. The answer is yes. Okay, next, number 2, you can. Come on.
You can see a frog.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Where's the frog, Lynn?
Yes.
Where is it?
The frog is next to the giraffe.
Okay, next to the giraffe. Next,
And
there are.
there are four fish.
Okay,
No,
what's the answer? No. Why it's no?
because there are three fish.
Okay, because there are 3 fish, not 4. Next, the snake.
The snake is close. No,
No. Why the answer is no? Because.
because the snake is purple.
Okay, good. Next. How about the next sentence?
There are two parrots.
Okay, what's the
No,
answer? No. Why it's no?
because there is one parrot.
Okay, because there is 1 parrot. Very good. Now here, Lynn, I have here questions for you using the key questions or keywords. Now here, Lynn. Lynn, can you tell me where is the monkey?
The monkey is
The monkey, not monkeys. The monkey.
the monkey is natural bag.
Okay, the monkey is next to the bag. Next, Lynn. Lynn, what's the bird doing? What's the bird doing?
The bird is flying.
Okay, Lynn, how many flowers are there?
There are ice flower.
Again, how many flowers?
There are ice flower.
What? 8 flowers. Okay. How about fishes? How many fishes can you see?
There are three fish.
Okay, there are 3 fish. And here, Lynn, what are the color of the fish?
The color of fish is yellow and brown.
Is color yellow and black. And what is the girl doing in the picture?
The dress is I don't know.
The girl is looking at the animals in the zoo. Okay, how about the man in the picture? What is the man doing in the picture? Look at the man. The man in a green shirt. What is he doing?
Mm, Please, they're walking,
Taking a
taking a photo.
okay, taking a photo. And how about the monkey? What is it doing?
The monkey is looking,
Looking at the
looking
who? Looking at
looking the photo.
looking at the camera or looking at the man in the picture. Okay. Now here, oh, we finished already the unit 15. Okay, Lynn, we still have 10 minutes more. So we will be doing unit 16. Okay, wait me. All right, so Lynn, what is unit 16 all about? Unit 16 is about what?
What's your favorite food?
Okay, what's your favorite fruit? So I have here vocabulary word.
Bean,
What's the first word we have?
Bean,
Next,
pear,
pea,
next,
carrot,
carrot,
next.
coconut,
Coconut.
Okay, very good. Another word, wait me. Another word, Lynn. What's this?
shark,
Grape.
Okay, grape. Next,
lemon,
Lemon.
lemon. Next,
lamb,
lime,
lime. Next,
mango,
mango,
mango. Very good, Lynn. Next, Lynn. What's this?
onion,
onion,
This one?
pineapple,
Pineapple.
Pineapple. This one?
tomato,
Tomato.
Tomato. This one is?
pear,
pear,
Pear. Very good. Another one, Lynn. Oh, so many fruits. What's this?
potato,
Potato.
This one.
kiwi,
kiwi,
Kiwi. This one.
watermelon,
Watermelon.
Watermelon. This one.
apple,
Tablet.
Tablet. Okay. So here, Lynn, I have here this one. There might be food items on the word list that you are unfamiliar with. It is important to know about the foods, for example, where they grow, what they look like, and etc. So you can recognize them in the pictures. You should use flashcards to find pictures of the food items in the internet image researches. Now here, Lynn. Okay, so here you're going to write the name of this given fruit. Okay?
okay.
Example number 3. Number 3 is an apple, or you can see here the spelling. Okay, Lynn? Please answer the following. Go.
Teacher, finish.
Okay. What is number 1, Lynn? Number 1 is, what's the
Rhymes
fruit?
is
Is
grab.
grapes. Correct. 2. What's number 2?
Shows and mango.
Mango. 3 is apple. 4 is lime. Correct. 5. What's 5? Picture 5. It's
Is watermelon.
watermelon. Next. 6. What is 6?
Pear.
Very good. It's a pear. 7.
Beans.
Okay. Beans. Number 8.
Onion.
Onion. 9 is
Pineapple.
pineapple. And 10 is
Potato.
very good. All right. Great work, Lynn. You were able to know what are the names of these fruits in the picture. Okay. So, Lynn, I will not hold you any longer because it's already time. So, Lynn, on Tuesday, we will start with Unit 16. Okay? All right. Goodbye for now, Lynn. See you next time.
That's it.